a Maestro Media production.
So, having all your friends here, and you know, how does that making you feel? You know, they supporting this whole marriage and all of that. Tell me about it.
That's a blessing, man, for our family and friends to come down here and join us here. You know, we far from home right now, but we live here. We're gonna make the best of it. So, let's do it. You ready?
Yes.
What you been doing?
Been making plans, man.
If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Baby, I've been making plans for
my sincere apology. I mean it. Look, I'll admit it, albeit pathetic, that I'm in my late 20s, still never been to a wedding. Guess the idea of that lobby empty do not sit with me well. It's not your fault they try to get me, cause I'ma need the sales, cause I'm selfish. And I need you to myself, trying to see you afloat, but don't want to see you sail, cause I failed. I see you about to cry, cause when I enter they city, they leave without their pride. I'm sorry, are you staring at my comments, fearing it's gonna always be you sharing me with all them? Wrong, how dare I say ignore them? Preparing for that day I leave you here, it's with you for them. It's hard, you know, temptation and all. Out here trying to see if my relationship's strong, get a place in the chart, so run away from your heart. Gave this music my all, nothing is sacred no more. I'm wrong, but I'm promising you better though. Your friends saying let them go, and we ain't getting any younger. I can give them now, but I can promise you forever though. That's right.
You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love, baby, I've been making plans for you. Baby, I've been making plans.
Really should have a rule.
Baby,
really should have a rule. Really should have a rule.
Yeah.
You have a new love, I'll admit it. Let me be hypothetical. The day I find a woman, I'd probably be scared to share it. The idea of me finding love would run somebody off. A true my wall could use some plaques, but still I got a flaws. Brush you off. Yeah, I'm kinda lost. Now I'm up in the club with a couple of move-ons. Sipping dark, good troubled heart. Went from falling in love to drunk and falling apart. This is hard, trying to find some time to move on. So when we lost our baby, I got shady, she got too dark. Sorry, and I thank you, baby, you strong. My ex before you married to you solo, I say so long. Nah, good terms how that ended, but it surely put a dent on how I worry about this business. Off-white picket fences, on flights with the children, on site stealing kisses, on off nights my intentions, but I plan to do it better though. But you still saying let it go. We ain't getting any younger. Women love me now, but in your eyes you forever though.
Heart, baby, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans.